Hello guys, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to use domain on Bluesky. You can use domain on Bluesky to change your Bluesky handle, and in order to do this we can go over to settings, and right here you have account, you're going to click on it, and you have handle. You're going to click on handle. So here we have new handle. Down here I have my own domain. We're going to click on it. So if you have your own domain, you want to put in your domain here. For example, you could say xyz.com. If that's your domain, you could put it right there. Then the next thing you need to do is to go over to the DNS panel and add the following. Under the type, you're going to add in text. Then the name or the host, you're going to add underscore at proto or whatever is there. And then you have the value. You're going to copy this and place it on your DNS server. As you can see, the expected outcome is underscore at proto.xyz.com. So after all of this has been added to your DNS and you've saved it there, and after some moments, you can come over here and click on Verify DNS Record. What this does is basically going over to the web and searching for this DNS record. As long as you've successfully added it to your domain name server, the verification process will be successful, and then your new handle will be customized according to your preference. So this is how to use domain on Bluesky.